Biyernes,
Walang naibigay na sagot si...
Bianca,
Ang tamang sagot ay...
Paul McCartney. At dahil dyan, bumunot kami sa lahat na nag-text ng tamang sagot. Panalo ng 20,000 pesos si... Congratulations!
Welcome back to...
Panahon ko to! Our texting lines are now officially closed.
Kasama natin ngayon, again, Mr. Richard Poon ng Team Suave.
Your answer was Sharon Cuneta. Tama ba siya? Tingnan natin kung sinong sikat.
I'm so sorry, but the correct answer is Miss Jackie Lou Blanco. But anyways,
Oh,
you
okay
and your
yan.
team still win 15,000 pesos plus 10,000 pesos, which means 25,000 pesos.
Okay, guys, thank you very much. Billy Boy, did you have fun?
Yes,
It was a very, very fun episode.
I did. Bukas i-announce namin kung sinong lucky texter na may tamang sagot ang nanalo ng 20,000 pesos.
At syempre, kung walang nag-text ng correct answer, may 2,000 pesos pa rin na consolation prize para na ipamimigay ang panahon ko to. Kaya naman, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, salamat sa pagtutok nyo. Sama-sama ulit tayo mag-reminisce bukas kasama mga bagong grupo na palaban. I am Luis Mazano. I would like to thank Designer Whey Protein, Gold's Gym, Executive Optical, Ray-Ban, Tech Marine, Drs. Manny and Pai Kalayan, Doc Nelda Eufemio of New Asia, Traffic Shoes, and M. Barreto.
That's right, and I'm Billy Crawford, and I would like to thank Human Fly Perfume, Swatch, Unisilver, Kalayan, Merger, and Dr. Steve Gann. See you again tomorrow dito kung saan ang buhay mo ang araw-araw na laman ng kwentuhan.
Ito ang Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng buhay ko!